I can provide you with a recipe for bavette with a citrus pesto that will give the traditional pesto a touch of freshness and novelty. This is a variant that combines the flavors of Italy with a citrus twist. Ingredients: 320 grams of bavette, 1 organic orange, we will use the zest, 1 organic lemon, we will use the zest, 30 grams of pine nuts, 1 bunch of fresh basil, 2 cloves of garlic, 60 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 30 grams of grated Pecorino Romano, extra virgin olive oil, EVO, to taste, salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Preparation. To start, wash the orange and lemon well, then finely grate their zest, being careful not to include the white part, which is bitter. In a pan, lightly toast the pine nuts, then let them cool. In a mortar or in a mixer, start working the basil leaves with the garlic, after removing the inner sprout, and a pinch of salt, until you obtain a cream. You can add some orange and lemon zest to blend with the basil. Add the toasted pine nuts and continue to work the mixture, adding extra virgin olive oil until you achieve a creamy consistency. Then incorporate the Parmesan and Pecorino, continuing to stir and adjust with salt and pepper. Cook the bavette in plenty of salted water, following the times indicated on the package to achieve al dente cooking. Once the bavette are drained, toss them with the freshly prepared citrus pesto, adding some cooking water to make the sauce creamier. Serve immediately, garnishing with citrus zests and fresh basil if desired, and a drizzle of EVO oil. Curiosity. The tradition of pesto is deeply rooted in Ligurian cuisine, particularly that of pesto alla genovese. The addition of citrus is a modern variation that not only brightens the dish with a touch of acidity and freshness, but also enhances the flavor of the basil and the fragrances of the dish. The combination of oil and citrus is also a common practice in Mediterranean cuisine, which often seeks to balance rich flavors with fresh and slightly tart notes.